Whether you run a small business, manage a busy restaurant, or simply want to upgrade your home kitchen with more power and flexibility, a commercial-style faucet can be a game-changer. Built for heavy use, these faucets deliver stronger water pressure, better cleaning performance, easier installation, and long-lasting durability that standard faucets often can't match. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 most beautiful, functional, and reliable commercial kitchen faucets you can buy right now. Let's jump straight in. Number 5. MSTJRY Commercial Kitchen Faucet. The MSTJRY instantly stands out with its large, heavy-duty design. It's bold, eye-catching, and built from stainless steel with a polished chrome finish, giving it a clean, professional look. Some homeowners may find the design a bit busy, since it features multiple handles, but that's also what makes it so functional. More control, more precision, better adjustment of pressure and spray. Despite the complicated instruction sheet, the actual installation is surprisingly simple. Performance-wise, the flow rate is slightly lower compared to other options on this list, but still strong enough for everyday cleaning tasks. The pull-down sprayer is flexible and easy to maneuver, making it great for rinsing large pots or getting into tight spaces. Number 4. Kraus Kate 1690 Sprit. Next is the Kraus Sprit, a fan favorite thanks to its super easy installation. It even includes a deck plate, which is rare for a commercial faucet and perfect for replacing older 3-hole setups. This model features wide spray reach, smooth 360-degree swivel, excellent flexibility. It doesn't pull down as far as some users would prefer, but its range of motion is still impressive for both home and commercial use. One thing to note, the Brit includes 2 flow restrictors, so the pressure might feel weak at first. Many users choose to remove one to unlock a stronger flow. Number 3. Blanco Culina Kitchen Faucet. The Blanco Culina shines, literally, thanks to its sleek satin chrome finish and modern minimalist aesthetic. It blends beautifully into contemporary kitchens, whether at home or in a professional setting. Although the finish may experience minor wear over long-term use, its exceptional performance makes up for it. With a powerful 2.2 GPM flow rate, Culina sprays with high intensity, blasting away food debris with ease. It fills pots extremely fast and handles heavy cleaning effortlessly. It's not the simplest faucet to install, but once it's set up, the performance and design speak for themselves. Number 2. Kraus Oletto Kitchen Faucet. Standing at 21.7 inches tall, the Kraus Oletto offers a refined, professional look. It's heavy, sturdy, and built for durability, making it ideal for both commercial kitchens and upscale home renovations. While not the most flexible faucet due to its weight, it features the Kraus mechanical docking system, a smooth slide-in dock that secures the sprayer perfectly every time. Some prefer magnetic docks, but this mechanical version is simple, reliable, and very well designed. Cleaning and daily operation are smooth and hassle-free, thanks to its ergonomic layout. Number 1. Moen 5923 SRS Align Commercial Faucet. And taking the top spot is the Moen 5923 Align, one of the best commercial-style faucets available today. At 22.5 inches tall, this faucet commands attention and brings a professional feel to any kitchen. Its stainless steel finish looks premium, although the sprayer head is plastic, a minor drawback for some buyers. Performance, however, is where the Moen 5923 truly shines. Strong spray for heavy-duty cleaning, gentle stream for everyday tasks, easy, fast installation, full 360-degree swivel, optional touchless activation for better hygiene. Whether for home or business use, this faucet offers tremendous value and top-tier functionality. Thanks for watching. We hope this unbiased, detailed review helps you choose the perfect commercial kitchen faucet for your space. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on more helpful plumbing and home improvement reviews.